General Manager of Operation. I work for a company called SJS Enterprises. SJS is a public limited company and our shares are traded in the market. We are into decorative items for the automobile and appliances industry. Operational efficiency was most needed in our company. So we were looking for an Industry 4.0 and to see that all our machines are utilized. In this journey, we met sfHawk in an exhibition. During the exhibition, their product looks very good. So we invited them to come to the factory and demonstrate the equipment. In the morning, the first thing I do is open my laptop, log into Google, and there comes the current day's production, and I can also see previous day's production. I would like to also emphasize, you can also see what are the downtimes happening, what are the reasons of the downtime. Now I have a cockpit to monitor and I could pull up anybody for not producing. We also get the operator who is producing us on time. Our journey with sfHawk started with 4 machines. We got good results in the 4 machines. Subsequently, we raised the number of machines to 9, and 9 machines are there working in SJS. If I don't tell the things which we have achieved, it will not be a fair deal. So I would like to tell, we were able to improve our OE by 20% and utilization by 10%. During this journey, we had a lot of information and eye-openers. Departments were fighting against each other to say this is not our downtime. Now that has all changed because information is captured digitally and online alerts are going to the team leaders. Dramatically, the data sanctity has improved and the interdepartmental coordination has also improved. Due to all these improvements, company is thinking of putting it in 100 machines out of the 300 machines which we have. I also should discuss about sfHawk team. sfHawk team is a dynamic young team ready to take up challenges, and every time they come up with a new release, they will come out with some features which we have not even envisaged. So I wish sfHawk team all the best for years to come.